I am back with 2 more completed journals that will be for sale on my Etsy shop. Now, one is a TN journal and one is a full size. This one is 5.5 by 8 and this one is approximately 4 by 8. So let me show you these 2 journals. Again, just think they've come out really adorable. This is a beautiful image and this is a lovely sized journal. It has this gorgeous image on the front as she has been Mod Podged and sewn on the cover there, and this is you know, cardstock, and then we have this gorgeous lace covering the signatures up. Have this beautiful organza ribbon, and let's open this without making a knot, and then also have lots of lovely lace throughout this journal. Now this journal I did a little bit different because I did quite a lot of the pages from a excuse me, a flower book, whereas normally I put 1 or 2 pages in a journal and then lots of you know, different book pages. This one has a lot of these pages in between the coffee dyed, so you'll see it's very floral, and I think it's turned out absolutely lovely. So we just have the book plate pocket here with some ephemera. This one I didn't use a kit, whereas normally I do, so this is where this one's slightly different. And this is just an old receipt and some ephemera. Now obviously this ephemera is from different sources, from Etsy, but like I said, I haven't used an actual journal kit for the pages on this one. And there is this lovely burgundy lace on this page here, and these are just so colourful. The images from this book are just beautiful. And yesterday I did a video on making these little tuck spots from dies, and I used a different flower book to try and match these up, and these just come out just lovely. You'll see these throughout the book. And then we have some ephemera and coffee dyed paper, glassine bag with a little Dinky Doo bingo card, and then I've put matching fabric down the sides. And again, one of these die cut pockets, which I just think they look lovely. This book is just beautiful, and oh my gosh, goodness, you can get so many images from this book. And we have a die cut piece that was for a card making kit that's just sat in my drawer, and I just thought it'd be lovely. This is from the old design shop. I mean, if I can remember where I've got things from, I will tell you. This is an old book, and I just thought that this was really lovely in the peaceful woodland, and it just tells of a fairyland. It's just lovely. And more of these die cuts. There's 4 sizes, so I've used them for tabs, pockets, tuck spots. Just gorgeous. And then more of the flower pages. Lovely big doily. I've done a bit of stenciling on the coffee dyed paper. Another tuck spot with a journaling card. Some old dictionary paper. This was from a gardening diary book. And then I've put some fabric on here. Another flower book. This was a fairy book or flower book, I'm not sure. And then it's got fabric down the side there. More stenciling. One of the fabric tiffin pockets, and this is an old cheque from 1911 to the Bank of Scotland. How much is this for? £825. Be quite a lot in them days. And an old postcard from a paper pad, just some lined paper. More of the lovely gorgeous images, coffee dyed paper, more of the images. Now I've left lots of spaces for you to, you know, put tuck spots, but I have, you know, put quite a few, and a lot of fabric in here. We've got one of these double pull out pockets here, and this has got lots of little bits of ephemera. in here. Look at this picture, just too cute. Just done some collaging on here with a butterfly and a vintage stamp, and this does open out. For those of you that haven't seen, this actually unfolds into an A4, well, nearly an A4 piece of paper, or you can just keep it like that, but you can write some little hidden things in there. Oops. Sorry if you can hear sanding going on. I am having my living room decorated as we speak, so I'm shut away in the craft room doing my thing. Oh, the banging's starting now. We have a little fabric tab here with a lovely wooden button. These are vintage buttons. And then a corner book page pocket. These are some tags that I made from some wallpaper, and I just put some coffee dyed paper on the back. And then this is a printable, another one of those die cuts, and I think this is just a printable, and this was from, I think, Tim Holtz paper pad. And then we have the other side of that page, which I just love. And then another book page pocket with a little library card and a ticket. I've got some little paperclip ribbon dangles. Another one of those big, a big tag made from that lovely wallpaper. I have lots of that downstairs, so I must get round to making some of these, but I've kind of run out of this colour card, so I'm going to have to hunt through my card stash and see what I've got, because I'm sure I've got some hidden somewhere. A music page and one of those die cut tabs. I just think they look lovely. And the other side of the glassine bag, and this, I've put one of those tags in here, die cut pocket things, but I've left it as floral, it's just fabric, and I thought that maybe you could put a picture on that, and then, you know, use that somewhere, use a paper clip and put that somewhere, maybe put one of your photos on there. So I thought you might like to decorate that yourself. And then more of that flower paper, and then we have the back page, which is a very large pocket, and it's got this lovely journaling spot with a lovely flower, and you've got a pocket here as well. So this is a lovely floral, quite big sized journal. Just beautiful. Love it. That's going to be on my Etsy shop later on today. And then we have this little beauty here, which is quite full and chunky, and it's got lovely feel to this one. I actually really like this one. Actually, this has got lots going on here with fabric. Now this is a fabric covered journal, and this was, I do not know if they were curtains or whatever, but I saw this fabric and I thought that would just look beautiful. So I've covered some cardstock, put some lovely lace, some more lace here, and some embellishments there. A lovely picture sewn on with some eyelash trim and some fabric underneath there. An eyelet enclosure with some organza ribbon in a very pale lemon. And then when you open this journal up, like I said, it just has this really lovely feel to this journal. It is quite chunky. It has this lovely book plate with some ephemera in here. Now this was a kit, and I think it's Artie May's, and just lovely, beautiful flowered images, lots of writing space, and then some just plain. Now this isn't coffee dyed, but some of the paper I think is in here. Let me have a look. Oh yeah, some of it's coffee dyed and some of it isn't. Then we've got a book page flip with some ephemera in here. And this is just one of my snippets put on here with the butterfly upside down. Might be not upside down, but to the side. She's flying to the side. Then one of the fairy images with some lovely lace down the side. And then I have one of the little mason jars attached with a paper clip and some ribbon. And some lovely fabric trim with lace down this. This is a pull out. Let me just take this off, and that just flips out. And you have a journaling spot and a lovely photo there. I'm just going to put that together like so. There you go. I'll pop that there. Sorry, that was my phone, if you could hear that. Okay, so that was a flip out there, and you've got some ephemera. Got a glassine bag here to pop something in with some more fabric and more journaling space. And then a little flip fabric, lace flip here with a journaling card in there as well. Oops. Get that back in there. Oh, get in like that. And then that goes like that. It's just like a little fabric flip. And then some coffee dyed paper, music pages, and we have one of the little pockets going on here with a little charm and some lace applique on there, little bingo card in there, and oops, some more ephemera in here. And this is on some coffee dyed paper, and nice little tags there. And then we have a lovely pocket which is from the kit, and some more ephemera that's on coffee dyed paper as well. From an old book page, coffee dyed paper, a doily. Excuse me, this was like a little pad I had with a little rabbit. Just thought it was very cute. Some grid paper. I have one of these die cut pockets, tuck spots, and some more ephemera there. And a little bit of trim. Book page from a Jane Austen book. A little fabric and lace snippet on there. This is a fold out tag I made into a little like booklet, and it's got a little pocket there as well for you to put something on. Like that. And then that goes there. It's like a little library card. This is a little envelope there with a little journaling card, and that just folds over the page like so. Lots and lots of little hidey holes in this one. And then, oh, that's got to go under there. That's just a little bit of ephemera there. And then nice image from that book. Coffee dyed paper, the grid paper. This is a book page pocket with a couple of little bits of ephemera. Cute little picture of a lady with her cat. The old book page. This is another pocket from the kit with some fabric trim, an old postcard, printable, and a little flip out coffee dyed paper. And then we have another pocket here, and this is that double fold out page with lots of juicy ephemera in there. That one folds out. I won't get it all out because it's clipped in. And you've got two pieces of ephemera there with some little collage there. Another pocket, another fabric pocket there with a lovely image and some ephemera. This is a Project Life card. And then here's the other side of the glassine bag, which I have put an applique flower and some lace. And on here I've put a little, this is from Tracy Fox Designs, and it's this cute little envelope with a cute little journaling card inside. So I'm going to pop that in there like so. And then we have the other side of that fold out flip, and that has a tag in there and some fabric. I won't take it all apart. More fabric on the end of there, one of those tabs, and we've got a little pocket here to put some ephemera. And then we have a large pocket here, double pocket, with a another one of the Tracy Fox tags, and I've put a lovely flower on there. So this one is quite full and quite beautiful. So those are the 2 journals that we have finished just now. I'm hoping to get some more done later. So those are the 2 for now, and they will be on my Etsy shop later on today. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Any questions about the journals, please let me know. As far as how many pages, etc., that will all be on my Etsy shop. That will tell you there how many pages there are. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.